But if you look at the 2-minute EWO, all right, right here's where it opened, which is somewhere in here. It went immediately flat. So let's say you did 2 trades because we don't cherry pick trades, right? Let's say you did 2 of them. So let's say you got in off the first one. You didn't make any money. You got in on this one and now you're rich. You retired, right? That's how this works. Now, some of you, I'm still hearing, are not holding on long enough. So again, you guys are in either too large or you're getting greedy. You got to figure out which one that is. Are you in too large or are you being greedy? Because if not, you're going to do like David did, and you're going to have 178% runner all the way until you're comfortable, right?
Yes, sir.
So we've got to figure out: are you being too greedy, or is fear controlling your entire trade? You've got to work this out, because if you got in this trade yesterday, did it ever break below VWAP?
No.
Not even close.
No.
Right.
No.
So what in here? What possibly could have told you to run away and hide? Somebody show me one place on Apple where you should have got out. Go ahead. We'll all wait. Right here. Somebody asked me, but coach, the EWO is going down. Remember, you don't care once you're in the trade and it's away from you. Just like if this went red in here, but it's still above VWAP, right? And you got in down here, you don't really care because it's so far away from where you bought it that it doesn't matter to you, right? If you bought it here and it went red in here, you don't give 2 shits. Look, you see it? If it went red right here, you get the hell out of it, right? You just entered the trade. But when it's so far away from you, because, right, I always tell you guys to watch it when it starts rolling downhill, to start paying attention. Guys, if you entered it here and it starts rolling down here and VWAP is here, you don't care, right? Everything is still golden. So again, fear or greed, which one is controlling you? I can tell you right now, if you're in too large and you keep getting out on every one of these little pullbacks, that's fear. If you're in the right position size, you're in the right position size and you're fearless and you still keep getting out, that's greed. Oh, I don't want to give this back. Oh, I don't want to give that back. Oh, I'm so green. This is great. Ooh, I'm going to buy a new car. Oops. I could have bought a car and a boat. You see the difference? So I've been saying it all day, every day, over and over, because this is the perfect trading day. I'm just going to let you know. These don't happen very often. As you know, I think in the year we've been doing this, we've had, I think, 3 of those days, maybe 4. I think 2 were actually to the upside and 2 were actually to the downside, and we got on both. This doesn't happen every day. They said that the market corrected itself and took back like half of the losses in all of August off of yesterday. You have to take advantage of the days that are beautiful. And if you don't trade this way every day, when it happens, you won't be ready and you can't handle it. And then you're going to go back to your same, because now we're going to, right, chop, 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 chop. You're going to start going back to, I'm going to take it. I'm out. Oh, I got stopped out. Oh, and then in 2 weeks, it's going to do this again. You're not going to be ready. Your mind's not going to be right. You're still doing the same stuff and you're still wondering why your account's not growing.